Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2019 Honda Odyssey. Now the most notable features on this Odyssey is its power moonroof. You also have your power sliding rear doors and your navigation system. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2019 Honda Odyssey. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this Odyssey is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lights. Taking a look just over on the side, you have the 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Integrated signal lamps, foldable mirrors, and just before we go into the front dash area, I'm just going to show you what the second row looks like. So as you can see, you have 3 seats in the second row as well as in the third. And then, if you take a look in the second row windows, you do have the sunshade visors, just so you can block out some of that sun. And you'll find the close button just located on the inside there. Just push on it once, and it will close for you automatically. Now, the color we're going to be taking a look at today is white, and taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats. You have your leather interior, power driver's seat with lumbar support, power liftgate release, rear parking sensors, as well as your lane watch. And if you take a look, you have your traction control on and off, and then on the inside of the driver's side door, you have your seat memory controls, as well as your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls as well. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your scroll function, as well as your Bluetooth connectivity, voice recognition. You also have the heated steering wheel as well, cruise control settings, and then it does come equipped with the push button start. So all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Now, taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So as you can see, you have your digital speedometer, and if you actually hit the home screen button here, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So as you can see, you have your warning, show, hide apps, trip computer, phone, as well as a couple of other additional features as well, just so you can personalize everything for yourself. Taking a look at the center dash area, as you can see, when you hit the home screen, it'll take you and show you your navigation system as well as your audio, and a couple of other additional features as well. Now, as you can see, you do have the temperature control settings located down below. Along with that, you'll have your heated seat controls for your driver and passenger, mounted to an automatic transmission. You'll find your power outlet just located down below there. And if you take a look up top, you have the auto-dimming rearview mirror with the integrated garage door opening controls. Open and close for the power moonroof, sunglass case holder. And then if we take a closer look, you'll be able to see a couple of other additional features inside there as well. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now, located on your rear bumper, you're going to find your parking sensors located right across. On the back of the tailgate, you'll find your backup camera on the left-hand side, and the rear hatch release just located underneath. Closing in on the rear cargo space, as you can see, you do have a 60-40 split for the rear seat, or third row, I should say. So in the event that you need the additional space, it's available to you, but if you need more additional occupants, you have that option available for you as well. As you can see, the instructions are located just on the back of the seat there, just in case you forget how the seats actually fold or unfold. And when you're all finished up, just push on the back of the tailgate once, and it will close for you automatically. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455. Or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.